everybody, I'm Greg with Molten Miguel Water District.
This is the Potty Talk video series where you'll learn about toilet leaks, the toilet parts that create them, and how to fix them. In Potty Talk 101, we'll go over the basic toilet components.
The reason we want to go over these is that toilets are the biggest water waster inside your house, even more so than your teenagers, believe it or not. The toilet parts are very basic. They consist of the bowl, the tank, the trip lever, the fill valve, overflow tube, and the flapper. The two components of a toilet that leak most frequently are the fill valve and the flapper, and they do typically go unnoticed, so do keep an eye on them. If you don't have a flapper that looks like this is more of a traditional flapper, you may have a piston type of flapper. The function of them is still the same. They still leak in the same way. The replacement of the parts on the flappers is a little bit different, but nevertheless, the function of both the traditional flapper and the piston type flapper are the same. Thanks for watching.
Please watch Potty Talk 201 to learn about the various toilet components that can cause your toilets to run.